Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Kazuto Kirito here. My voice is finally back so I can make a new video for you guys. And today we are playing Don't Press the Button. Now, there's redstone. I see redstone. Let me out. Let me out. And look at it, stone. But anyway, let's go and go through the rules. And game. Don't throw any items into lava unless told. Well, sit for now. Just don't lose any items. Don't put them in chest. Don't drop them. Brightness, moody. I'm not gonna do that. I'm recording a video. Render distance. 8 chunks. Very important. Take always everything if you can get it. Well, it's nothing in the chest, so get it. You might get stuck in the next night. Also, when home, you can place items that you got that night. Watch out and follow the hints. Now go guard. Always. Yay, adventure! My new job. What do I do? Press to start job. Instructor. Hello there. I will be your, instructor. And welcome, Kazuto Kirito, to your new job. Your only job is not to press the button. Easy, right? Why isn't this job so popular then? Well, you see, the previous people kinda freaked out. They all snapped. Pressed it. I think I can handle it. You know, I am Kazuto Kirito. So, yeah, I think so. We'll see. This is only the first night. So good luck. Oh, and be warned. Magic spells are not uncommon around here. Yeah, sure, fine, bye. So, why are the stars not moving? Wait, what? Star. Oh, wait, here. Okay. Hey, psst. Who is there? Press the wood button again to get hints. You'll need them. Hi there. Keep it quiet. They shouldn't know I'm here. Why do I need hints? Only I can say now is that night won't end itself. You gotta do something every night. This place changes. This night you have to find the beacon of magic. Do it, or the night will be eternal. But I have so many questions. Save them. It's already too late. I must go. See you next night. No, wait. In the oh. Hi. Is this a maze? Ah. Beacon of magic. Oh. That's what the dynamic light does. Alright, so stained glass. Magic element key accepted. Melt the frozen cock and time shall pass. But okay, so I can't break that yet. Can't break ice. Okay, so now I need to come back over here and fly. What? Oh, that is can be placed on one paint. Home sweet home. So I don't know how to build, obviously. I love to. This is an ugly house. This is just ugly. And where did you get the oak wood? Is that oak? Is that, yeah, that's oak. Then why does it look like a jungle? Diary. I can't type in my diary. Nice. Can I sleep? Hey, hey, hey. Okay, close. So I can't replace painting, but I can close my door. Don't put anything in the chest. I put the painting. Actually, no, because I don't need that. Work. Okay, so that's different. And you are locked back up. So, second night, huh? Like the job? Too easy, there's nothing to do. Too easy? I thought it was too hard, so I added a hand system. Yeah, added. Nice. Anyway, good night and luck. If you survive it, you'll get your next payment. And press the button again to get hints. As you can see, the magic element has changed into fire element. You see, every night there's another element. The weird thing is, there are 10 nights. The ninth night element is dark. To get there, you have to press the button. You'll handle it later. I'll open the library for you. Oh, thank you very much, Mr. Hint. Of course there's a million chests. Because what's better than opening a million chests? Okay, so I have the key, I'm guessing. Is there anything useful? No. What is that? I guess we'll have to figure it out. Okay. Ah, icebreaker. Flint tool can break iron bars, so I'm guessing that that's a vent. Probably not gonna end up making. Oh, I did. Okay, so I don't want to break that just yet. Can't go that way. I was already in there. Don't know where this is. Oh, that hurt. Where am I? Water exhibition. Or water exhibit. Already, and there's the ice. I can't see a chest in here. No, there's no chest. So, I think that we are good. Boom. That is awesome. It's actually really cool. Hey, I got an anvil and a... Okay, anvil. And now I can't break them. Now I can't sleep. Off to work, I guess. You know, I don't know why I still keep coming to this job. It's boring. The freaking the exhibits keep changing, and it doesn't. It's just endless night and with no view. there's not even stars. Okay, so that's been closed. 3rd out of 10. Great, keep it up. There's the thing, we closed the library. Understand, it was spooky in that. Actually, a curse book has been found. It has to be destroyed immediately. That's why you find it first. Hey! I mean, what book? Oh, gotta go now. Ice is melting. Oh, that's sweet. Alright, so are there any chests I need to look for? No, but it looks like I need to go up there. I am having fun. I am climbing trees. Why did I can't place you on anything, but I was told not to throw away any items. Okay. I made it. Okay. Okay, you're blocked off. You're blocked off. So let's go in here. Okay, ow. Please read. Please burn the cursed book in the sacred fire. That might remove the curse. If that doesn't work, Dark Precipitation Storage 268. The cursed book is hidden well, and it only appears when you read this. If you want to get out of the library, find the cursed book, and then chest will contain the barrier breaker. Thanks, Dirk. I'm gonna start calling him Dirk. I have a feeling it's not gonna be in any of the normal chests. Wait. Aha! Of course they try to pull a fast one. Look, in case you guys couldn't see it, right there. And there's the barrier breaker. Alright, okay, let's do a bit of organization. Guessing I need to go back up and go where the barriers were. That'd only make logical sense. I mean, that'd only be logical. What? I knew it was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. Alrighty. 3rd time's the charm. Icebreaker. It's time to 4 times the charm. Especially when you suck at parkour. Alrighty then. We will get this eventually. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we have a barrier here. Okay, so that's something I can't get into. See, there's anything. Okay, so eventual. One of these times I'm gonna die from doing that. Okay, ladders. Can we place on cobblestone, so let's keep you there. Roof key, storage key. So I'm guessing this is used. No, it doesn't work. Oh, please. Oh, I have to get back up here, don't I? Yay. Yay, don't you guys? Scooby-Doo-Doo. Can I? Ooh, maybe that'll keep it open. To the cursor. Don't leave without the cursor book. Aha. Night 3 complete. Have some rest. Yes, I was right, but I have glass panes. There. Can I sleep here? Nope. Still not allowed to sleep. I had like 5 monsters and a small thing. We noticed that you used the vents. Yeah, you see, we hereby take your vent tool and put it in storage. Please don't take it back. Also, the Vanishing Curse book vanished. Not that I care or anyone, just saying. Now, I must go. Bye till next night. I think you know what to do. 1. You need to get the vent tool back. Dude, this isn't that where a lot of people fall off. Don't know why though. 3. Good luck. No library storage of vents? I can break signs. Armor. There's nothing telling me to stay out anymore. Alright, storage key. Paintings, it says like everything. I can see. Wait. Oh no. Okay, so I now have 4 tools. Just gotta. It wasn't me. Nope, officer, I don't know what you're talking about. Alright, so. Break signs. Now what? Is there anything in here that I can... Okay, so nothing there. Cobblestone. What do I do? Is there anything up there? Ah. Shard of air. Which for some reason lights up. Oh yay. Pop coal. Okay, jump here. Jump here. I'd assume jump there, but I can't jump there until I go here. No, I still can't make that. Can I? I am a parkour noob. But You know what? We've gone through 3 nights. I think that this is good. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna end this here. I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, leave a like below. Leave a comment. Any support is 100% accepted. Positive, negative. If you guys know how to help me improve, I'm totally down with learning. My name is Kazuto Kirito, and you keep playing.